हाय एवरीवन, जय माता दी। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल जेएमडी अकेडमी। मेरे साथ है वैभव मेहता, प्राउड स्टूडेंट ऑफ जेएमडी अकेडमी, जिसका अभी ही इज रिसेंटली बीन सिलेक्टेड विद एंग्लो एशियन शिपिंग कंपनी एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी हिज technical mock interview which you are going to see right now. If you are interested in seeing his non-technical round, please go and watch that video on Merchant Navy Decoded YouTube channel, where you will see him making those small mistakes, and you will have a smiling face. कि अरे if he can do it, even we can do it, and if he can get selected, even we can, because that's what life is all about. So वैभव, चलो अभी एक let's go for the technical round, and it will be little bit. Let's just start. Okay, Vaibhav. What is the formula of tan 2 theta?
tan 2 theta 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta.
चलो पहला क्वेश्चन गलत हो गया।
नहीं, 1 plus tan square theta upon 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus.
हाँ, ये चलेगा। tan 2 theta is 1 minus tan square theta 1 plus tan square theta, और 2 tan theta पर 1 minus tan square theta. So definitely guys, the questions that I am asking have been asked in different interviews at different point in different companies. It can be Scorpio, Synergy, Anglo, Great Eastern, Executive Ship Management, MMSI, MSI, Fleet Management. So I'm just asking the question randomly. So fix नहीं है कि ये question किसी कंपनी में पूछा गया है. Okay, what is the value of tan 90?
tan 90 it's 1.
tan 90 is 1.
No, tan 45 is 1, tan 0 is 0, it's infinite.
Infinite. चलो बच गए. अभी नर्वस हो रहा है ये. Otherwise, I know he can answer better. Okay, what is the formula of cos 2 theta?
Cos 2 theta. There are basically three formulas of cos 2 theta: 2 cos theta sin theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square theta, and one more cos square theta minus sin square theta.
हाँ, जो इसने सबसे पहला बोला वो गलत बोला है, आप चेक कर लीजिएगा. And do mention in the comment section where Vaibhav is going wrong. That is very important. And please, when you are doing that, don't think that you are very smart, because at the end of the results matter करते हैं भाई. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. नो वरीज. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. चलो, हाउ मेनी स्टेट्स आर देयर इन इंडिया?
Sir, there are 27 states.
आर यू श्योर?
Yes, sir.
ओके. हाउ मेनी यूनियन टेरिटरीज?
Sir, now 10.
10. ओके. विच इज द लेटेस्ट यूनियन टेरिटरी एडेड टू अ कंट्री?
Ladakh and Jammu Kashmir.
ओके, चलेगा. ठीक है. व्हाट इज द कैपिटल ऑफ हिमाचल प्रदेश?
Himachal Pradesh. Sir, not sure.
Not sure. Who is the chief minister of Uttarakhand?
Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. मुझे याद है.
Okay, no worries. Pushkar Singh Dhami is the answer.
Pushkar Singh Dhami.
Please go back and you need to know the chief minister of your state. Very important. Who is the vice president of our country?
So Vice President is Dhankar, Mr. Jaideep Dhankar.
अच्छा. Who is the president?
श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू.
ओके, ठीक है. इवन वाइस प्रेसिडेंट मुझे लगा था वेंकैया नायडू, में भूल गया. दैट इज बीन चेंज्ड. अब इन वन ऑफ द इंटरव्यूज दैट इज व्हाट हैज हैपेंड. खैर, एनीवेज, नाउ आई गॉट द राइट आंसर. हु इज द शिपिंग मिनिस्टर ऑफ अ कंट्री?
सर, नॉट श्योर अबाउट दैट.
ओह गॉड, यू नॉट श्योर? दैट इज बैड. ओके, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. व्हाट इज द कैपिटल ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया?
सर, कैनबेरा.
ओके. कैपिटल ऑफ सिंगापुर?
सिंगापुर. सर, नॉट श्योर.
You need to know, guys, and tell me in the comment section down below. Okay, what is the capital of Japan?
Japan, Tokyo.
Okay. Which country is called the land of rising sun?
Sir, land of rising sun. It's India only.
No, it's Japan.
Japan.
सबसे ईस्टर्न साइड पे वही है भाई.
Yes, sir.
Okay, name two canals.
Panama Canal and Suez Canal.
Okay, name two straits.
Gibraltar Strait and Park Strait.
Okay, where is Park Strait located?
So Park Strait is located between India and Sri Lanka.
And what is the religious importance of Park Strait?
Sir, it has a mythological reason that it was built by Sri Ram during Ramayana.
During Ramayana. Okay, there was a bridge built. Okay, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Tell me, which is the most busiest commercial ocean?
It's Atlantic, North Atlantic.
North Atlantic Ocean. Okay. If you have to go from, say, let me put it, Brazil to New York, what will be the sea route followed?
So Brazil from New York, first of all, we have to reach Caspian Sea.
Brazil to New York, Caspian Sea आएगा बीच में?
नहीं, Caribbean Sea. So Caribbean Sea, then North Atlantic Ocean, and then from the New York port.
Guys, please tell me the right answer. ठीक, आई नो इट्स बिन 2 months, ही क्लियर्ड हिज एंग्लो-एशियन विंटर में, अभी रस्टी है, अभी मौज चल रही है, बट आई फील यू गाइज नीड टू आंसर दिस वेल. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. टेल मी 5 इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंटर्स अबाउट स्विस कैनाल.
About Suez Canal. So first of all, Suez Canal, it's joined Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea. It is built between the two.
रेड सी एंड मेडिटेरेनियन सी को जॉइन करता है स्विस कैनाल. श्योर.
Red Sea and yes sir. Red
ओके
Sea and
आगे
Mediterranean
ठीक है,
Sea.
बोले बोले.
Between two continents, it is between two continents, Europe and Africa, and it is built near Egypt. The length of Suez Canal is 1012 miles, and it take up around 10 years to build Suez Canal.
ओके इतना तो मुझे ही पता. यू गाइज हैव टू कंफर्म एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. ठीक है. चलो अब आते हैं, थोड़ा केमिस्ट्री पे आते हैं. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ अच्छा व्हाट कॉजेज एसिड रेन.
So acid rain is mainly caused due to the pollution because of the pollutant present in the atmosphere, which mix up with the water present in the clouds. For example, gases such as SO2, and which led to the formation of H2SO3 and H2SO4 and CO2 also, which led to the formation of H2CO3, which all are acidic in nature. And when they when they mix up with the water present in the clouds, and when the rain happens, this all causes the acid rain.
दिस इज कॉल्ड एसिड रेन. ओके व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ H2CO3.
H2CO3 is carbonic acid,
H2SO4.
sulfuric acid,
HNO3.
nitric acid.
ओके चलो मुझे केमिस्ट्री में बताओ. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ बेंजीन.
So benzene is C6H6.
टॉल्यूइन.
Toluene, so is C6H5OH.
ओके वेरी गुड. फॉर्मूला ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड.
Carboxylic acid CH3COOH. So COOH is a functional group of carboxyl.
हाँ वो तो हो सकता है, बट कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिटिक एसिड.
HCOOH. HCO नहीं CH3COOH is acetic acid and HCOS is carboxylic acid.
चलो चलेगा. आगे बढ़ते हैं. थोड़ा सा बातें हैं. मैथ्स हो गया, केमिस्ट्री हो गया, लेट्स कम टू फिजिक्स. ठीक है. यू टेल मी व्हाट इज रिफ्रैक्शन.
So refraction is the bending of the light coming from one medium to the another medium. The light bends towards the normal when it is coming from rare to denser medium, and when it is going from denser to rare medium, it's bent away from the normal.
What do you mean by denser medium and rarer medium?
So rare medium is the medium in which the molecules present in the medium are very far away from each other, whereas in denser medium as compared to rare medium, the molecules are very closely packed with each other.
Okay, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. What is total internal reflection?
So total internal refraction, there are mainly 3 reasons for total internal reflection. First of all, the light beam must travel from denser to rare medium. The angle of incidence should be greater than the critical angle. And so these are only the 2 reasons.
Okay, so what happens when it is greater than critical angle and from denser to rarer medium? What happens?
So first of all, critical angle is the angle. If a light beam is moving with a critical angle, it will bend normal. It will go straight with the edges of both the mediums. If the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, then the total internal reflection occurs. So it is like reflection only in the denser medium. So total internal reflection.
So basically light reflects back into the same medium,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay. Chalo, what is Snell's law?
So Snell's law says that the ratio of the sign of incidence upon the sign of refraction is always constant.
Is always constant. ठीक है guys, this is the technical mock interview taken of Mr. Vaibhav Mehta. Please do tell in comment section where all he has gone wrong. Mention कीजिए and सीखिए. And please don't be too judgy thinking अरे इसको ये नहीं आता वो नहीं आता. अभी आपकी जर्नी है, आपको क्या आता है वो ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, या अपना रास्ता निकाल के लेकर आप सिर्फ DNS की तैयारी करनी है और आगे बढ़ना है, राइट. सो प्लीज़ गो अहेड. थैंक यू वेरी मच. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी. बाय.